Hi, Brett Bolzenthal, eXp Realty and soldbybrett.com. And today, talking about the newest market report, and I brought a little friend to help tell us about it. Actually, she's a cat, so she don't speak English and doesn't know nothing about the market.
If you haven't already, hit that thumbs up and make sure to smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos.
But I do. Is the market shifting? Well, you know, the funny thing is, we've been asking that question now for what? 4 months? Check that. 5 months, right? The market is pretty darn hot still for sellers. It is a good time to buy, yet for sellers, this is where it's at. So as we look at the market as a whole right now, sales prices are actually down right now compared to last year at this time. We're talking Calumet County, Outagamie County. Sales are actually down by 6%, 7% respectively. However, if we actually look at the sales prices for Winnebago County, they're actually up 5%. Now, as we look at our inventory levels in the Fox cities, we find that our inventory is actually up from year to year, and we're up by about 6.76%. What that really equates to is 3.6 months of inventory. So is that a good thing? Well, it is. There's more opportunities out there. To be in a stable market, we would actually need to be around 6 months, and we're not quite there yet. So we're still in a very, very strong seller's market. For 2019, how are we comparing with sales volume? Well, I actually find that compared to last year in the month of March, we're down by 15%.
Hey guys, just thought you might want to know, sales aren't up, they're down.
What that means is 15% fewer homes actually sold in the month of March for 2019.
Okay, we're going to take a look at a snapshot of the market report. So here, we're looking at the total number of sold homes for the month of March, and you can see that there's 106 properties that sold. And this is actually up from the month of February, as you're going to see here in just a moment. The average days on the market are coming in at 83 days, and when we compare our sales, which like I said are up from the month of February, you can see that February came in at 86. So for 2019, our sales are up when we compare it to the previous month. Sales are down when we compare it to year over year. As we look again at the average list price versus average sales price, we can see that the average list price right now is coming in just under $208,000 at $207,654, where the average sales price is almost exactly $1,000 below. The highest sales price in the area was $800,000. Well, the list price was originally $809,900, just slightly below the asking price here for the month of March. As we look at our year-over-year statistics, once again, we'll break that down for you a little bit further. And we can see that we look at our total sales in the Fox Cities area, coming in around 185 for the month of March. It is down from the 219 total sales year-over-year back in March of 2018, which came in at 219 in the Fox Cities. Total number of expireds for the month of March were 32. And currently, as of 4/29, there were 353 residential homes for sale in the Fox Cities, which included 76 new listings. Active and available right now in Appleton alone, we have 34 properties for sale. So when I punch in all those areas, you can see that in the last 7 days, we've had 73 new properties for sale, 1 back on the market, 4 have expired, 20 price reductions, and we have 11 currently pending.
We're looking at rates for home buyers. It's still a great time to buy. The 30-year fixed rate mortgages are currently still in at about a 14-month low right now, with an average of 4.41%. So where are they going? Well, originally back in the beginning of the year, the Feds predicted that we'd be over 5% by the end of the year. Now they're saying we're probably going to hit around 4.6%. So the question is, why have they slowed? Well, originally at the beginning, when the Feds were planning to raise the rates, they got together in the month of March for a meeting, and they kind of put the brakes on things, and most likely will not be doing anything with the rates for the rest of the year. Another reason appears to be that investors are worried about Brexit in the UK, and if they go into recession, well, perhaps they're afraid that it might spread. And reason number 3, you could say that inflation has kind of stalled right now, and that's actually a good thing for the rates. So what does this all mean for you? Well, it means that if you're looking to sell your home, now is an ultimate time to sell. It can be a little crazy out there because a lot of people want to put up their homes home sale contingent. Well, that's where we step in. I work with a lot of investors, and we have different plans with our guaranteed sales programs to help make sure you don't get stuck owning 2 homes. On the other hand, there are different contingencies that we can add so that you have an ample amount of time to find another home without potentially losing out on all the homes and being stuck moving twice, right? From a buyer standpoint, we're just getting started with the new grant programs that became available. If you're making less than $50,000 a year, this could be a great time for you to capitalize on those grants and possibly, in some cases, get up to $10,000 in grant money. Many of these programs you do not have to pay back, which is really, really cool and gives you a substantial amount of buying power. So, whether you're in the market to sell or you're in the market to buy, I'm the guy. Once again, Brett Bolzenthal with eXp Realty and SoldByBrett.com, coming at you with another market report. Thank you so much for tuning in.